Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about LCM, HCF and their applications. Yesterday we discussed some problems. Based on that, today also we will discuss some more examples. LCM, HCF and their applications. So today we will go through with some questions only. Suppose, see, least number, what the least number which should be added to, least number should be added to 2497, so that sum is exactly divisible by 5643. What least number added to that number to make it the sum is exactly divisible by the given numbers 5643. Okay, so now by taking LCM 5643 is, let it be L. Okay, now what is LCM? 5346, so 3 1 4 2 2 5 1 2 1. So no two of them in same table, so that we can take the LCM 3 times of 2 times of 5 times of 2, that is 60. As we discussed yesterday, that types or methods, this number L, that is 60. So given number is 2497 divided by 60. 2497 divided by 60. 4s 240, 97 1s 60, 37 be the remainder. Now L minus R, L minus R, that is 60 minus 37, 23. So that is the least number added to, therefore required number is 2497 plus 23, that is 2520. That's the required number. What least number added? 23 is the least number added, so that the given number is divisible by all the 4 numbers. Let's go through the question. Least number which should be added to this number, so that, so by doing this method. Now see second question. The least number which when increased by 5, the least number which when increased by, least number which when increased by 5 is divisible by 24, 32, 36, 54. So what least number we have to take, and add 5 is added to that number. 5 is added to what least number? Increased by 5. 5 is added to what least number to make that number as divisible by all the 3. So what is required number? That is LCM of 24, 36, 32, 36 54. See what least number added increased by 5. Increased by 5. So if LCM is known, if we'll subtract 5, then we'll get the answer. If you'll again that answer whatever we got increased by 5, that is the least common multiple of the given 4 numbers. So first of all have to find LCM. 24, 32, 36, 54. 12, 16, 18, 27. Now 2, 6, 8, 9, 27. Now 3, again 2, 3, 4, 9, 27. Now 3, 1, 4, 3, 9. Again 3. Any two of them in same table, then we are going to continue. Still no two of them in same table. Here no two of them in same table. So we can find LCM. 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 4. Okay. So up to here it is 216 into 4. 64, 864. 864 be the LCM. Now what least number, which one increased by 5? Which one increased by 5? So required number is 864 minus 5, that is 859. To the required number, if you will add 5 to that 859, then we'll get the answer. Got it all of you? That is second question. Now we'll see third question. The least multiple of 7. Least multiple of 7, which leaves remainder 4. Leaves remainder 4 when divided by. When divided by 6, 9, 15 and 18. Understood all of you that question? We have to find least multiple of 7. So better to find LCM of these 4 with leaving remainder 4. With leaving remainder 4. So first of all LCM. LCM of 6, 9, 15, 18 is equal to L. So first of all have to find that 6, 9, 15, 18. All the 4 in 3 table. 2, 3, 5, 6. Again 2, 1, 5, 2. Here 2. Now what is LCM? 3 times of 3 times of 2 times of 5. That is 90. That is 90. Now leaves remainder 4. Leaves remainder 4 means 90 plus 4. What least number? Leaves remainder 9 means 4 means we have to take 90 plus 4. But here leaves remainder 4 and it should be 7 multiple. So therefore required number is 90 into k plus 4, which is 7 multiple. Which is 7 multiple. So by taking verification only we can do 90 into 1 plus 4, 94. Okay. 13 sevens, 91. 90 into 2 plus 4, 184. So 7 2s 14, 4 4 7 6. it is also fails. 90 into 3 plus 4, 274, 7 3 is 21, 6 4, 7 9s also fails. 90 into 4 plus 4, 364, that is 9 5s, 9 2s into 7. So therefore required number is 364 with the required number. See how we did this question. What least 7 multiple which leaves remainder 4 when divided by 9, 6, 15 and 18. So these are some examples. Let's go through here. First question, least number which should be added to 2497 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 5643. First question. Second type, least number when increased by 5 which is divisible by, increased by 5 means first we have to find the LCM and then subtract 5. The resulting value is the required number. Here in general, what least number, what is the least number when divided by 6, 9, 5, 15, 18 which leaves remainder 4 means we can do directly, that is 94. But here question is asked like 7 multiple, least 7 multiple. Least number means 94, least 7 multiple means required number in the form of 90 into something, some natural number, 90 into natural number plus 4, that is 7 multiple. For what values of natural number k? That is least. K equal to starts from 1 to 3 counting numbers. It satisfied for 4. It may have more values, but it is the least value 364. So now we'll see next question. Largest 4-digit number which when divided by 4, 7, 13 leaves remainder 3 in each case. So largest 4-digit number, what we required? Largest 4-digit number which when divided by 4, 7, 13 leaves remainder 3 in each case. So it is in type 8. Type 8. What is type 8? Greatest n-digit number divided by ABC leaves remainder k in each case. Okay, so first of all, LCM of 4, 7, 13. What is LCM of 4, 7, 13? That is 91 into 4, 364 by the LCM. Now the greatest 4-digit number divided by 364, 2s 8, 12, 728, 1, 7, 2, 9, 8s, 4s 32, 3, 48, 3, 51, 5, 24, 5, 29, not possible. So 7s will take 28, 2, 42, 2, 44, 4, 21, 4, 25. So what is the remainder here? 1, 7, 1. That's the remainder. So let it be R. Now required number is greatest 4-digit number minus R plus the leaving remainder 3 in each case. So plus so what is greatest 4-digit number? 9999 minus 171 plus 3. So what is the difference? 8289 plus 3. So 9831 be the required number, which one divided by 7, 4 or 13, leaves remainder 3 in each case, and greatest one. Okay. So now we'll see one more question. So these are the applications. So in our website worksheet is there based on these applications, divisibility rule applications. We have one worksheet. Once go through that website and download the worksheet and do it, practice it. And we are developing online exam series also. It may be affected within 2 months. From 1st June onwards it may be in active. So 5th one. So these are all the applications. See the smallest number, which one diminished by? Smallest number, which one diminished by 7, smallest number which one diminished by 7 is divisible by 12, 16, 18, 21, 28. So that is the question. Smallest number which one divisible by diminished by 7. So diminished by 7 means decreased by 7. In that last question, increased by 5 means find LCM and minus 5. That's the required answer. Now in this question, diminished by 7 means LCM of 12, 16, 18, 21, 28. Diminished by 7 means LCM increased by 7. That's the required answer, because from required answer we have to subtract 7 so that it can be divisible by 12, 16, 18, 21 and 28. So we can find by taking LCM. So what is the LCM? (1008) be the LCM plus 7, 1015. That's the required answer. Okay. Now we'll see one different question. HCF of 3 to the power of 125 minus 1 and 3 to the power of 35 minus 1 is what? That's the question. HCF of the two numbers. So which concept used to solve this question? Once go through here. Suppose a power m minus 1, a power n minus 1 by two numbers. Okay, their HCF is a power circular bracket m comma n minus 1, where m comma n is HCF of m comma n. So by using that concept, here what is m? 125. What is n? 35. So 5 25s, 5 7s, and there is no common factor for 25 and 7. So therefore GCD 5. So therefore HCF of 3 power 125 minus 1 and 3 power 35 minus 1 is 3 power 5 minus 1 by the required answer. So it is another method. This is different. Yesterday we discussed only 10 points, that is 11th point, 11th type. And now we will see one more question. So now we will see one more question. Least possible 5-digit number. Least possible 5-digit number. Least possible 5-digit number when divided by 10, 12, 16, 18, leaves remainder 27 in each case. So what we have to find? Least possible 5-digit number. This is 10th type, type 10. So what is type 10? Least n-digit number, n-digit number when divided by ABC, leaves remainder K in each case. Okay, so step 1, LCM of 10, 12, 16, 18 is L. So first of all have to find LCM. 10, 12, 16, 18. All are in two table, 5, 6, 8, 9. Again 5, 3, 4, 9. Two of them into 3 table. 1, 4, 3. Then no two of them in same table. So what is LCM is equal to L is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 4 into 3. So 23 is 60, 60, 4 is 240, 243 is 720. That is L. Now what is step 2? Least 5-digit number divided by L. Ones 720, 280, 0, 3s 0, 6, 21, 40, 640. Okay, step 3, required number, let it be R. So required number is, what is required number? N digit, least n digit number plus L minus R plus the common remainder K. So now what is n digit? 10,000 plus 720 minus 640 plus 27. So 10,000 plus, what is the difference? 80 plus 27, 107. So 10107. That's the required number. See, these are very beautiful applications by taking LCM and HCF. And we'll see one more application. This is also beautiful application. LCM of two numbers is 495. LCM of two numbers is 495. Their HCF is 5. Sum of the numbers 10. What is the difference of numbers? Understood all of you? So if this kind of questions given means how we have to do. See, I'll give that central theme. So whatever this type of questions is given, so HCF of two numbers is 5. So let the numbers be. What are the numbers? Suppose if I will take 5 into 2, 5 into 3. What is the HCF? 5. Because there is no common factor for 2 and 3. Suppose 5 into 2, 5 into 6 is given. Here 5 is in common, and here 2, here it is 2 into 3. So now 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10 is HCF. Suppose 5 into 3, 5 into 9 is there. So otherwise 5 into 6 is there. Then 5 is in common, here 3, here it is 3 into 2. So 15 is in common. So like that we have to take the two numbers or three numbers, whatever. HCF is given. HCF is given. What is HCF here? 5. So the numbers be 5 into A, 5 into B. Here what is the must and should condition? Where HCF of A comma B should be 1. That is co-prime or relative prime. Co-prime or relative prime. Now co-prime or relative prime. Now sum of the numbers 5 into A plus 5 into B is equal to sorry, what is the question is given? Sum of the numbers is given. If the sum of the numbers is 10, difference is 10, sum is not given, sum is not 10. Okay, we'll take. Now, what is LCM? If question is not given properly, means how we have to do. If we'll find all possible pairs, then we'll get easily. Their LCM 5 into A into B, that is equal to 495. Understood or not? Here 5 into 2, 5 into 3. For example, what is LCM? 2, 3. So no two elements in same table, means we can do direct multiplication. 5 into 2 into 3. Now A into B is equal to 495 divided by 5. So what should be multiplied by 5 to get 495? 4 5 nines 45, again 5 nines. So A into B is equal to 99. What are the possibilities? 1 into 99, 3 into 33, next 9 into 11. So these are the possibilities. These are the possibilities. Now see here, if you will take HCF, pair of the HCF of this pair is HCF of this pair is 199 is 1. Here this pair is 3. Here this pair is 1. So it fails because since HCF of A comma B is equal to 1. So that is the prime requirement. HCF of these two should be 1. So what are the possibilities we have to verify? So 5 into 1, 5 into 99, that is 5 comma 495, that is one pair. Next 5 into 9, 5 into 11, 5 into 11, that is 45 comma 55, 45 comma 55. Difference is 55 minus 45 is equal to 10. This is the answer given. So sum is 55 plus 45, that is 100, but in our question it is given as 10. That is wrong. So that is the question. So if LCM and HCF of two numbers is given, LCM is given, HCF is given. If numbers were not given, means we can find numbers by taking this process. Once go through how we did this. First we know HCF. So by knowing HCF, consider the numbers 5 into A, 5 into B, but the basic condition is here, prime condition is the HCF of A, B, whatever you may consider the numbers, that should be 1. Otherwise overall HCF not 5. If HCF of AB is other than 1, it may be 2, 3 like that, then the HCF of the original numbers becomes 5 into 2 or 5 into 3 like that. So that HCF of these A, B should be 1. Then only HCF of the original numbers is 5 given HCF. So because of these two HCF 1, LCM is their product. So 5 into A into B, that is given as 495. So A into B, in the place of A into B, what we have to take and to get 495, that is 5 into 99. So now we verify 99 possibilities, because the product of two numbers 99 should be expressed as product of two numbers with the condition the two numbers HCF is 1. It is passed in 2 cases and failed in 1 case. So the passed cases has to be considered. So difference is 10, that is the given answer. In that case, what is the sum? 100. So that is the another model. So now we'll see one more model. LCM of two numbers is 45 times of their HCF. LCM of two numbers is 45 times of their HCF. LCM of two numbers is 45 times of their HCF. One of the numbers is 125. One of the numbers is 125, and one more condition is given. Sum of HCF and LCM is is 1150. Then find the numbers. That's the question. So how we have to find the numbers? Immediately see, LCM of two numbers is, consider, let LCM of A comma B be two numbers or two numbers, is equal to L, and their HCF of those numbers is H. And given that, what is given that? LCM is, so it is very important. The word, the sentence given in the form of words, that should be converted into symbols. So what is given? For every question having 3 parts. What is given? What to be find? Second, what is given? First part. What to be find? Second part. And how we can bridge up the given data to be find data. That is third part. Now, LCM is 45 times of their HCF. 45 times of their HCF. Now, one of the numbers is 125. One of the numbers is 125. These are all given data. Sum of LCM and HCF is equal to 1150. Suppose HCF is L plus H is equal to 1150. H plus what is L? 45 H is equal to 1150. So here 45 times H plus 1 time 46 times H is equal to 1150. So what should be multiplied by 46 to get 1150? That will get by dividing 1150 by 46. I think it is 2 23s, 2 5s, 2 7s, 2 5s, 1 5, 2 7s, again 2 5s. So 23 1s, 2s, 46, 115 5s. So what is HCF? 25. What is HCF? 25. And we know another property, product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. Product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. By taking this property, you know one number is given, that is 125, and another number you don't know, let it be J, is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. HCF is 25 into what is LCM? 45 times of HCF, that is 45 into 25. Now J is equal to 45 into 25 into 25 by 125. So 25 ones, 25 fives, 5 ones, 5 fives, 45 fives, 225. So what is the other number? 225. So what are the concepts used in this question? Once go through given conditions. What are the given conditions? LCM of two numbers given and HCF is given, and a relation between them, that is LCM is 45 times of HCF, and sum of LCM and HCF also given, and one of the numbers is given, that is 125. Now we have to find second number. Okay, to get second number, up to here we used the given data only. After getting HCF we can find LCM, and one more property has to be used here. What is that property? Product of two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. So by taking that property we will get that second number. Understood all of you? So now I'll give one question. Least 9-digit prime number using the digits from 1 to 9. Without repeating digits. Did you understand my question? Least 9-digit prime number using the digits from 1 to 9. What we have to find? Least 9-digit prime number using the digits from 1 to 9. Okay. or 0 to 9 as your wish. So better to take 1 to 9, will get easily. So tell me. So these are the 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here, by taking fundamental counting principle of multiplication, in how many ways we can fill it is 9-digit numbers. We can form 9-digit numbers. So how many numbers will get that is irrespective, unnecessary, but we have to find the prime number, 9-digit prime number. 9-digit prime number. So very simple logic is there in this question. Sum of digits 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 digits only. 45 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. So therefore such 9-digit numbers, what type of 9-digit numbers? Taking the digits from 1 to 9. Such type of 9-digit numbers means the digits taken from 1 to 9. The digits taken from 1 to 9, which are such 9-digit numbers always divisible by 9. So therefore no such 9-digit prime number. So number of such prime numbers is 0. See, once observe the question, how it is. It look like very difficult. But a small concept is there, that is divisible by 9 rule have to use here to solve that question. Okay. So HCF of two numbers is 23. 9th one, 10th one. HCF of two numbers is 23. HCF of two numbers is 23. And other two factors of their LCM are, other two factors of their LCM are 13 and 14. 13 and 14. Then largest of the two is what? Very simple. Already I told that whenever HCF is given, what is HCF? HCF of two numbers. What is HCF of two numbers? 23. So therefore what are the numbers? Tell me. 23 into A, 23 into B. What is the basic condition? Where HCF of A comma B should be 1. Then what is their LCM? 23 into A into B. Given in their LCM, other two factors. What are the other two factors? 13 and 14. That is given in the question. 13 and 14. So what is A value? If A 13, B 14. If A 14, B 13. So therefore numbers 23 into 13, 23 into 14. 14 3 is 42, 4, 28, 4, 32. That's the required. 39, 3, 26, 3, 29. So what are the required numbers? 299 and 322. So like this applications on LCM and HCF, we have to solve this type of questions. Almost all in Olympiad exams also, whatever it is, AMTA or CMO South India Maths Olympiad or in higher standard pre-RMO or IAPT, like such kind of exams. These type of questions only will come by taking LCM and HCF applications. So now we'll discuss about cyclicity. We'll discuss about cyclicity, that is units place. By taking cyclicity, we have to discuss about units place. So units place of 2 power 1 is 2. Units place of 2 power 2 is 4. Units place of 2 power 3 is 8. Units place of 2 power 4 is 2 power 4 16. Its units place is 6. Now units place of 2 power 5 is 32 2. Units place of 3 power 6 2 power 6 is 64 4. Now units place of 2 power 7 is 128. Units place of 2 power 8 is 256. So if you will observe, while writing these units place, see this strip is going to be repeated. Okay. Now just we discussed before that form of a number, forms of numbers. So afterwards we'll discuss this chapter, but just for information, suppose a number divided by 4 quotient, let it be m, quotient m. So what is the possible remainders? What is the possible remainder? Tell me, what is the possible remainder? That is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this occasion, I'll ask one question to you. So why should we use the digits from 0 to 9 only while writing numbers in decimal system? So what we are using is decimal system. So in this decimal system, so why should we use the digits from 0 to 9 only? Who will tell? Okay. Yes, the decimal system, in this decimal system, so why should we use the digits from 0 to 9 only? That is our question. No more digits exists, or except these does not exist any digit. These are all the irrelevant answers. Only answer is decimal system means base 10. Base 10. If a number divided by 10, possible remainders, if suppose the number divided by 10, what about the remainder? Remainder may get 0 or 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So these are the remainders from 0 to 9. So that's why we have to use the digits from 0 to 9 while writing numbers in decimal system. We can write numbers in binary system, that is with base 2, octal system, that is in base 8 or base 7, base 12, like that. You may consider any kind of base. So now come to this point. Now that number, if remainder 0, 4 into m plus 0. If remainder 1, 4 into m plus 1. If remainder 2, 4 into m plus 2. If remainder 3, 4 into m plus 3. If remainder 4 does not exist, up to 3 only have to take. So if a number divided by 3, what about its forms? It may be 4m plus 4m, 4m plus 1, 4m plus 2, 4m plus 3. Once go through the numbers. When divided by 4, it may be 4 multiple or when it is divided by 4, remainder may be 1 or remainder may be 2 or remainder may be 3. Remainder 0 means it is 4 multiple. So these are the forms: 4m, 4m plus 1, 4m plus 2 and 4m plus 3 are the remainders. So now see, 1 when divided by 4, remainder 1. When divided by 4, 2 by 4, remainder 2. 3 by 4, remainder 3. 4 by 4, remainder 0. 5 by 4, remainder 1. 6 by 4, remainder 2. 7 by 4, remainder 3. 8 by 4, remainder 0. Remainder 0, in that case units place is 6. Remainder 3, in that case units place is 8. Remainder 2, in that case units place is 4. So remainder 1, in that case units place is 2. So what is the conclusion? Units place of 2 to the power of 4m plus 1 is, if one remainder means, what is its units place? By taking these two examples. The same way, if remainder is 2, its units place is 4. If remainder is 3, its units place is 8. If remainder is 0, its units place is 6. Okay. Now we are going to verify with 3. Once go through here, units place of 3 power 1 3, 3 power 2 9, 3 power 3 27, units place 7, 3 power 4 81, units place 1, 3 power 5 243, units place 3, 3 power 6 729, units place 9, 3 power 7 2187, units place 7, 6561, units place 1. Again same cycle. So units place of 3 power 4m plus 1 means when divided by 4, remainder 1, in that case units place is 3. When divided by 4, remainder is 2, 3 power that kind of numbers, units place 9. So 3 power 4m plus 3, units place 7. 3 power 4m, units place 1. That is about. Now got it all of you? Now 7 power 1 7, 7 power 2 9, 7 power 3 343, 7 power 3 value 343, 7 power 4 2401 1, 2401 343. So now 7 power 5 16 807. So 7 power 6 here into 7, 9 units place. 7 power 7 into 7, 9 7 63. Again into 8 1. So what is the conclusion? Units place of 7 power 4n plus 1 is 7. Units place of 7 power 4n plus 2 is 9. Units place of 7 power 4n plus 3 is 3. Units place of 7 power 4n plus 0, that is 4n is equal to 1. That is about the units place of 7. So now we have to observe 8. 8 power 1 8, 8 power 2, 8 into 8 64, so ends with 4. 8 into 4 32, ends with 2. 8 into 2 16, ends with 6. 6 into 8 48, so ends with 8. Into 8 ends with 4. Into 8 ends with 2. Into 8 ends with 6. So units place of 8 power 4n plus 1 is 8, 8 power 4n plus 2 is 4, 8 power 4n plus 3 is 2, 8 power 4n plus 4, 4n plus 0, that is 6. Okay, that is the units places of 2, 3, 7 and 8. Now if you will see units place of 6, 6 power 1 6, 6 power 2 36, 6 power 3 216, 6 power 4 1296. So what do you observe here? 6 power units place of 6 power n is equal to 6. N is natural number. N is any natural number. In the same way, units place of 5 power n, if you will take 5, that is also for any natural number it is right. Now 2 more digits remains, that is 4 and 9. 4 power 1 4, 4 power 2 6, 4 power 3 4, 4 power 4 6. What do you observe here? 1 3 5 7, these are odd, that is units place of 4 power 2n minus 1, odd. For odd cases it is units place 4, and the units place for 4 power 2n even, that is 6. In the same way, units place of 9 power odd 9, 9 power even 1. So these are the units places of all the digits. So if any number is given, then we can find the units place by taking these values. Let's go through here.